Cześć and welcome again to my channel, Mango Daddy Kitchen. We're gonna make another Maltese dish, a soup. It's called Aljotta, which is a fish soup. So in Polish it would be maltańska zupa rybna. This would be perfect for Lent, or the Polish word post, since now we're in that period, since it's only based on fish. Again, another simple recipe, traditional old recipe from Malta. In fact, the word Aljotta is Italian for aglio, which the Maltese then thwarted to make it Aljotta. And it's basically a poor man fish soup. The fish it's used is poor fish. It's fish that either it's not sold, or it's the fish that you cannot sell because it's too small, and the fishermen that bring it back home and use it to make the stock for the aljotta, because there's no meat to take from the fish. Also sometimes, since it's a poor man's fish soup, they use the heads and tails to make the soup out of it. Obviously we are in mainland Poland, so there's no Mediterranean Sea for us to get nice fresh fish. So for that reason I'm using frozen fish that I found from local supermarkets. Plus I'm adding a bit of extra like shrimps to give it a bit more taste. Still be aljotta, just it won't be the traditional same way as eating the aljotta in Malta. Nevertheless, let's start. So I start by chopping and cutting around 10 garlic, chestnut, and finely chop 1 onion. So let's start with that. So as you can see, I already boiled some rice, pre-boiled some rice to use for the soup, because the base of the soup has rice. Now let's put it on. So some olive oil. We start with the onions. Try not to burn the onions, we just need them sweated. Add the garlic. Again, we don't need the garlic to be burned. We just need for it to sweat a bit, so it will release its full flavor with the water. Add tomato puree. Some water. Now either add around 3 blanched tomatoes without the skin and chopped, or use some tomato sauce. I'm going for the tomato sauce because there will be too much stuff then. Now put to Baileys or lish laurovi. I like to add, since I will add more flavor, 1 piramida smaku. And a bit of majoran. If you have a fresh mint, you could add a little bit too. while the soup is simmering, we have to add the fish. So I better cut it into chunks. So let's start. So now when it comes to fish, don't use river fish. I know we're in the mainland Poland, but river fish is not ideal for this type of soup. First of all, river fish like carp, it's full of small bones and it's a bottom feeder, which means that its meat is all muddy and it will ruin the taste. Try to find sea fish if you can. Frozen I managed to find, or from the Atlantic there is plenty, although albeit frozen, although Maltese coming in. Sometimes I find fresh fish too from certain supermarkets, so it's not that hard. It's just that you have a limited selection. So let's chop these. So we throw the fish in the soup. I'm also adding a bit of shrimps. They will give a bit more taste and a bit more consistency. And now I will put it on a lower flame for around half an hour. So 30 minutes have passed, so practically the soup is ready. I'm gonna add the rice now to it. We'll chop some parsley to add to the soup. So as you can see, the Aljotta is ready. Before you serve it, check the seasoning to your liking. Add the parsley and it's ready to serve. If you're here and you smell it, it's incredible. It will be a hearty soup for your Lent post in Polish. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. As usual, do comment and I thank you for viewing my video. Just add lemon wedge to your soup. It makes all the difference. And enjoy. See you in the next video. Cześć!